Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the um, Thursday weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. My name is James Danko. I'm a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service in Raleigh. Um, so we're going to be covering the period from today through next Wednesday, July 22nd. Okay, so first looking at the tropics, um, we can see that it's really pretty quiet, and we've had a pretty active start to the season with six named storms, but um, for the next 5 days, we're not expecting any new tropical cyclones. The upcoming weather pattern, we've got currently an upper ridge of high pressure over central North Carolina, extending west into the plains, and that will remain over our area today with only a slight chance of an isolated shower or storm. Um, Maybe a better chance in the northwestern Piedmont. Tomorrow, the upper ridge will begin to move west of our area, and eventually a weak surface trough will be moving over our area, and so this will result in a better chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms each day from tomorrow through the end of the period. And the best chance, as is typical with summertime convection, will be in the afternoon and evening each day. And the other big story will be the heat, and we're likely to see from Saturday through the end of the period, so Wednesday, the highest heat indices that we've really experienced so far this year. The combination of hot temperatures and high dew points in the low to mid 70s are going to push heat index values to potentially dangerous levels in the low to mid 100s, and it looks like the highest will be in the coastal plain. So these are just some graphics showing our currently forecasted heat indices for early next week, when it looks like they're going to be the highest. So Monday and Tuesday, um, it looks like heat indices of 100 to 105, or even potentially a little bit higher than that. And again, the highest looks to be in the coastal plain and also the triangle region. So precipitation forecast through the next 7 days, we're looking at really hit or miss showers and storms each day. So on average for the next 7 days, we're expecting around a half inch to an inch, but locally higher totals are certainly possible where any thunderstorms and heavier downpours occur. Today and tomorrow, it looks like the best chance will be across the northwest Piedmont, and then QPF increases across the entire region by this weekend into early next week. Okay, and as far as severe storm potential, it doesn't look like a big threat for the next 7 days. The Storm Prediction Center, as you can see, just has basically a risk of general thunder for the next few days, but no risk of widespread severe weather at this time. Thanks for the question, Jim, on what is QPF. QPF stands for Quantitative Precipitation Forecast. So that's basically just the amount of precipitation that we are forecasting. Okay, and the Climate Prediction Center, their 8 to 14-day outlook for the country has generally above normal temperatures for the central and eastern U.S., greater than normal chances of above normal temperatures, to be exact. And as far as precipitation, which is shown on the right, for North Carolina, you can see that there's a greater than normal chance of above normal precipitation. So summarizing the week, again, we have a ridge of high pressure currently overhead today, and that will result in only a slight chance of an isolated shower or storm, with the best chance in the northwestern Piedmont. And by this weekend into early next week, we're looking at better chances for scattered showers and storms each day. And then the other big story will be the excessive heat from Saturday through the end of the period, with a combination of hot temperatures in the low to mid 90s, potentially even upper 90s. As you can see, our extended forecast for Raleigh actually does have some upper 90s for Monday. And then high humidity with dew points in the low to mid 70s will push heat index values to potentially dangerous levels in the low to mid 100s, again highest in the coastal plain. And the highest heat index values will likely be on Monday and Tuesday. And so just make sure that people are exercising heat safety precautions, drink plenty of water, and if possible, if people could avoid working outside during the hottest parts of the day in the afternoon hours, try to get any outdoor work done as early as possible in the morning or later on in the evening when temperatures start to cool down. All right, and that wraps it up, and now I'll take any questions.